So good morning children. So today we will discuss the 10th class periodic classification assignment number 6. So here the first question is, which of the following has least electronegativity? Which of the following has least electronegativity? So here the options given is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So all these elements are 17th group elements. So what are the 17th group elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So what is the question here? Which of the following has least electronegativity? So in the group top to bottom, what happens? Electronegativity decreases. Electronegativity decreases. So from fluorine to iodine, the electronegativity values are decreases. So fluorine having highest electronegativity value having 4.0 like this. So coming to top to bottom, which has least value means iodine. So iodine having the least electronegativity value. Here the which option? The fourth option. So how iodine having least electronegativity value. And we'll move to the next question. What is the next question? Mulliken values are. So here the what a Mulliken scale, that means Mulliken scale is used to measure electronegativity values. It is a scale which is used to measure the electronegativity values. We have different types of scales: Pauling scale, Mulliken scale and Alfred Roche scale. In this, one of the scale is Mulliken scale. So here the question is Mulliken values are. Mulliken values is comparing with Pauling values. So here we have the Mulliken values are 2.8 times greater than Pauling values. So the Mulliken scale when comparing to Pauling scale, it has 2.8 times greater than the Mulliken scale. So here the option is 2.8 times greater than the Pauling values. We will move to the next question. If the electronegativity differences of the bonded atoms is less than 1.7, then the type of bond is. So here the electronegativity difference is less than 1.7. So what is the case? If greater than 1.7, then what is the case? Then is equal to 1.7, which type of bond generally we'll observe. If this is less than 1.7, the type of bond formed is covalent bond. The type of bond formed is covalent bond. If it is greater than 1.7 means the type of bond formed is ionic bond. Ionic bond. So here if equal to 1.7 means %50 ionic and 50% covalent. So here what is our question? If the electronegativity difference of the bonded atom is less than 1.7, then the type of bond is. So what is the type of bond? Covalent bond. So which option? First option. So we will move to next question. The electronegativity of beryllium is same as that of. So here we will discuss the diagonal relationship. So beryllium is diagonally related to aluminum. Beryllium is diagonally related to aluminum. So these beryllium properties and aluminum properties are same. That means the electronegativity of beryllium is same as that of aluminum. So here the electronegativity of beryllium is same as that of aluminum because of diagonal relationship. Because of diagonal relationship. Right? We will move to next question. The electronegativity of fluorine on Pauling scale is 4.0. Then what is the value of Mulliken scale? Now only we discussed the Mulliken value. Mulliken scale is 2.8 times Pauling values. So The Pauling scale 4.0, 4.0. That means how much? How many times? 2.8 times. 2.8 times the value of Pauling scale. So 2.8 into 4.0. What is the value? 11.2. So which option? Second option. So thank you, children. Thank you.